Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the last time I spoke with y'all seen me, it was like months ago. But I am back, and today I'll be doing an eyebrow waxing tutorial for y'all. I posted on my accounts about a few days ago asking y'all if y'all would like that, and the majority vote was yes. So I'm gonna try to do that for y'all today. It could either go really bad or really good, so stay tuned. So let's get started. Okay, so the items you're gonna be using is baby powder. It's a lifesaver, like a popsicle stick or something to put the wax on. Course wax. I'm sorry, my face looks really bad. I'm about to get my period, so. And also meet Poe. She hates me, but this is Poe, my little baby. And yeah, tell him hey. Say hey. Oh, she said hey. She's camera shy. So I'm just gonna like put it on my finger. Just like do this. Put it on the eyebrow. This helps with the wax to be able to grip on the hair better. So we're gonna put this on here, and I'm no professional. This is just what helps me. So yeah, right. So we have the baby powder on there, and next I'm gonna dip this. This ain't wanting to stay up. There you go. I'm gonna dip this in the wax and then just put it on it. Alright guys, so that is for that one. I don't wax or do really anything on top of my eyebrow. I usually just pluck up there, because if y'all haven't noticed, like some, not throwing shade or anything, but like some girls, like darker complected, like I'm darker complected, and like my body hair is like black. So if I like do like a whole string like this big and wax, like you can tell. Like there's like no hair and then hair, you know what I mean? Like my baby hair, like, and I don't like that. So I just usually, what I do is just like pluck the hairs that I see that need to be plucked. Ooh, this one's looking rough. That compared to that. Well guys, that's it. I hope y'all liked it. It was a total success. I love it. and I know waxing lasts longer for your hair to come back in. So besides just being like a little red for my skin being irritated, that was it. But I mean, it worked out pretty good. I definitely recommend it on the top that I bought. I'm gonna try to put the link in the description if anyone is interested. And yeah, so glad to be back, and I hope y'all enjoy my video. And this is what it looks like. I did my eyebrows in the bottom, my unibrow, my mustache, and yeah, I hope y'all loved it. If y'all want me to do any other type, just let me know. If y'all want to watch me do my underarms, you don't have to watch that. But yeah, just like, comment, and share. I haven't done this in a while, so I don't forgot my outro. Ain't that sad? But yeah, bye guys, love y'all.